having an open house today. You want to take a look? All right, come on, let's go inside. Hey, look at this house. I love the fresh paint. It's so nice. These are great colors too. Check out this pretty fireplace. I love the exposed brick. This is a nice spacious downstairs living room. You have a gorgeous view of your front porch. All right, let's check out the kitchen. Now, I really like this kitchen. I love how it's right next to the living room. It has this beautiful big window that you look out onto your back deck. Really nice appliances. I love the sink and the countertops. You've got plenty of storage space. Okay, let's check out some of these first floor bedrooms. A nice size bedroom here. You have a closet, two pretty windows that look out into the front porch. Lots of natural light. And I love this updated flooring, updated paint. It just feels very clean. Let's check out the next one. Now here's your second floor, second bedroom here. You can use this for an office, a guest bedroom. It still has plenty of room. Nice window, nice size closet. It's going to be a multi-purpose room. Now check out the first floor bathroom. This is a great bathroom. Has a nice updated vanity, pretty lights, nice mirror here. Just nice and fresh and clean. Okay, ready to go upstairs? Now I love how this house has updated carpet too. It's just nice and clean. Alright, so let's check out the first bedroom here. This is just so nice and big. I love how you have three windows. You can look over the back deck. Has nice overhead lighting with ceiling fans. Nice fresh carpet. I love how it even has a little nook here that you can sit on. And then plenty of your closet space here. Alright, and then let's get into the second upstairs bedroom. Another really large bedroom. This one has three windows as well, so you get lots of natural light. Still a nice sized bedroom. Plenty of room for your bed, for a desk, for a dresser. You have a closet here. And then let's check out the bathroom. Nice updated bathroom here. I love this vanity. It's super cute. Nice updated light and mirror. All right, and then there's one more thing I want to show you. Follow me. Now I love